In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on the PlayStation app. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to open up the PlayStation app and you can see what the font size is currently set to. So if I want to make this larger and a bit easier for me to read, what I need to do is go back, and now I need to click into my settings app on my device. Once I'm inside settings, I want to navigate lower and click onto display. Once we're inside display, again, navigate lower and look for font size and style. Tap onto that. And you'll notice right at the bottom of the page here, we've got a slider under font size. So just move that slider left to right to increase it or decrease it. So move it to the right to make your font size larger. Now from here, if we go back to the PlayStation app, the font size should be increased. So there you go. So it's increased by that amount. So have a play around with that slider and pick which font size you want to use to make it easy for you to read while you use the PlayStation app.